Hello and welcome to my channel Anitech Hacks. You must be using Telegram, so you would be aware of Telegram bots. In this video, I will tell you about various Telegram bots that are extremely useful. So let's get started with our first Telegram bot. Our first bot is YTranslate bot. With the help of YTranslate bot, you can translate messages from one language to another language. Just click on Start button here. Now set your language by click on /set_my_lang. Now select your language. Let me select my language, that is English. Now select that language in which you have to translate the sentence or message. Let me select French. Now type the message in English and it will translate it into French. Let me type. Now within a second it has translated the word into French. That's how you can do it. You can also do in between chats. For that you have to go to any chat. Now type @YTranslateBot. Now type your message. Now you can see many languages. Just click on any language. That's how it works. Let's go to our next bot. Do you forget such important thing like I have to attend that meeting like that? So you can use SkidyBot. With the help of SkidyBot, you can make a reminder and this bot will remind you. How to use it? Click on the Start button here. Now type your message like. Now click on Send button. Now enter the reminder time. Now it's 15:32, so we can make a reminder of 15:34. Send it. Now click on Open here. Now this bot will remind you. Let's go to our desktop. Now you can see bot has given notification to remind me. Now you can enter the time so it will remind you again. Next time don't miss any important thing. Let's go to our next bot. Our next bot is Pronunciation Bot. This bot can help you pronounce any sentence or word, and you can also convert audio to text with the help of this bot. So simply click on Start and type any text message. Click on Send. Wait few seconds. Now play this audio.
We have to watch that movie together.
That's how it works. You can also send audio and it will convert into text. Now let's go to our another bot. Our next bot is for music lover. Go to Spotify Save bot. As it clear from name that this bot is very useful for music lover. By this bot, you can download any music or song from Spotify. Click on the Start. Click on /language. Now choose your language. Now type your favorite song which you have to download. Let me type Shape of You. Send it. Now select it, download it and enjoy. Now it's your turn. Download your favorite song. Let's go to our another bot. Our next bot is used in chatting. So let's go to any chat. Now type @TextMagicBot. Now enter your message, any message. Now you can see the magic. Select any font. This bot provides many types of font. Use it and enjoy your chatting. Let's go to our next bot. Our next bot is New File Converter bot. This Telegram bot is very useful because it can convert files from various type of format to another format. Click on Start. Now upload your file. Let me upload any image file. Now you can convert this image file to PNG, JPEG, WEBP, BMP, TIF and many more. Let me select PNG file. Wait for a second. Now the image file is converted into PNG file. You can open it. Now let me upload any PDF file. You can convert this PDF file into docs, TXT, RFT and many more. Let me convert this PDF file into docs format. Wait a few seconds. Now you can see the PDF file has been converted into docs file. Now you can open the file. You can see the PDF file has been converted into Word file. That's how this bot works. Now let's go to our another bot. Our next bot is for safety purpose. Go to Dr. Web bot. With this bot, you can check your file is safe or not for your device. Click on Start here. Now upload your file. Within a second, it has detected that there is no virus in that file. It is safe for our device. Now your turn. Check your file is safe or not. Let's go to our another bot. Our next bot is Image Reader bot. With the help of this bot, you can extract words from images. Click on Start here. Now upload any images that have text. Here you can see this bot extracted all the text from image. It is very helpful when you have to copy and paste the text urgently. Now let's go to our another bot. Go to eBooks DL bot. This is very useful bot for books lover who loves to read books. This bot helps you to search and download books. This bot has 1 million books, or you can say ebooks. Let me find a book. Click on Start here. Now type your favorite book. Let me search Think Like a Monk. Now click on Send button. Now find your book. Let me select this book. Wait for a few seconds. It is generating download link. Now scroll down. Now you can download this book by click here. Now let's open it. Now let's go to our last Telegram bot. Let's go to our last bot. That is ManyBot. With the help of ManyBot, you can create a new bot. To know how to make a bot, you can comment on this video. So I will make a video on how to create your own bot. So these were the Telegram bots that I think it is helpful for you. You can comment your favorite bot in the comment box. If you want to explore more Telegram bots, then go to Telegram channel named Botlist. Here you can find and use many more bots. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now watch my more videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you soon in my next videos.